Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete Wi-Fi network profile from Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings, then click on Network and Internet. Here click on Wi-Fi. Now click on Manage Non-Networks. Here you will see a list of networks which you connected before. To delete any profile, to delete any profile, just click on Forget. So this is the basic way guys to delete any profile from your Windows 11. Find out this page and just click on Forget. That's it. So thanks for watching, and in this short and basic video we can learn how to delete Wi-Fi network profile from Windows 11. Please comment this video useful for you or not.